Hi everyone, it's Unicorn and Shiny Sparkle, and today we're playing this game called Don't Press the Button. So, there's a button, and when you press it, all this crazy stuff happens. So let's see what's gonna happen today. Let's go in the game. There we go. Okay, we're here. Gotta go fast. Okay, cool. This is so cool. We're going fast. Everyone's running. Gotta go fast. Yes. Run. Run. Run, everyone, run. Going so fast. Run. Run. Run, everyone, run. Okay, I don't think we're ever gonna stop. Okay, there we go. So here's the button. Watch out for the mummy. Where is the mummy? In this pyramid or... Oh, there's the mummy. I didn't see the mummy. Wow. There it is. The mummy's chasing someone. Right there. Right there. They're in the pyramid. There they are. There we go. Score a goal. Ooh, we're playing soccer. Score a goal. Yes, we scored a goal. Oof, I'm squished. Okay. Score it. Yes, we scored a goal. Money. There's a soccer ball. Scored a goal already. But now we're gonna move on. There we go. Here's the button. Be careful. Okay. Got across. I'm lagging so much right now that okay. Run! Run! I can make it. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I made it. Yes. I made it. Yay. There. Everyone made it, I think. I think everyone scored a goal. Ow. Okay. Score a goal again. Score the goal. Score the goal. No, this way. This way. This way. Oh, that way? Okay. That way. There we go. This way. Yes. We scored a goal again. We already scored a goal. Let's move on. Okay, what's next? Watch out for the mummy. Okay, where is the mummy now? Oh, there it is. Oh, okay, there's the mummy. I gotta run away. I have to run away. There's the mummy. Don't leave the mummy to me. Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna stay right here. Oh, no, it's coming our way. Oh, no, oh, no, oh, no. Run! It's only chasing me. Run away. Oh, no, oh, no. Oh, no. Run away! Okay, I survived, yes. Find a Bloxy Cola to survive. Okay, where's Bloxy Cola? Oof, I didn't find it in time. We're in the desert, so we do need a Bloxy Cola. Button! Big brain! Oh, I don't have a big brain here. These two people. Okay. Get ready. Fight! Okay, aw. I died. Fight! Okay. Everyone's fighting with lasers. Get them, get them! Oh, wow. There we go. Hurry, reach the top. Okay. Reach the top. I'm lagging so much that I might not be able to reach the top. Okay, this one's hard. Yep, I died. I knew it. I knew I'd die here. Only one winner. That's cool. Where is the winner? Oh, there it is. Over here. Here. Wow, everything's flooded. Okay. There's the button. Click on it. A giant volcano. Watch out. Oh, no. Oof. Where's the volcano? Oh, it's here. There it is. Gotta watch out. Volcano, watch out. Oh, it almost hit me. It's good that I stay here. Hope it doesn't get me. It's only coming this way. Okay. Okay. There we go. Whoa, gotta go fast again. Go fast. Yes. Run, everyone. Run. Woo. Run. Run. We're going super fast right now. Super duper fast. Climb on this building. Okay. Fast. Gotta go fast. Whee! Jump, jump, rainbow. Woo! A giant volcano again. Watch out. Okay. No. Whoa. Okay. I can survive this volcano right now. Okay. Lava. Oof. Wow. Okay, the lava isn't touching me, so, because I'm here. Wow. Wow, this girl's dancing. Avoid the rockets. Okay, okay. Avoid the rockets. Okay. Don't die, don't die, don't die! Okay, I hope I don't die. Okay, I'm making it. I'm making it! Okay. Don't die! Oops! Okay, I almost died. Oh. Wow, so many rockets. Whoa. Okay. This way. Oops. Oh no, okay. I almost died, but I didn't. Get to the water. Oh. Get to the water. Ugh. Yes, I'm in the water. Come on, everyone. Okay, okay. Oops! Hurry, reach the top. Okay, I died. Right in the beginning of the round. Come on, people. Let's go. Yes. This way, yes. Go. Yay! One winner, two winners. Yes, they made it. Made the top. Everything's flooded. That's bad. Bounce. A lot of coins. Giant volcano again. Watch out. There's the lava. Lava's hitting everyone. This way. Oh. It's only coming this way. Cubes of lava are hitting everyone. Oh, why isn't anyone dying? It's going, okay, people are dying there, so never mind. Okay, what's next? Jump over the spinning laser. I can stay here. I'm already on top here, so I don't have to jump. There we go. I don't have to jump. Wow, the laser's going so fast. There we go. Coins, money. Vacation! Yay! Vacation. Chocolate milk. Yay, chocolate milk. Yum. So delicious. Having a vacation. Vacation. I'm gonna jump in the water and swim. And I died. I died. I'm back. And I don't have my chocolate milk. Spleef. Spleef. Run. What's happening? Oh, okay, I know it. Oops. Okay, I died again. Looks like lava to me. Did anyone survive? No? No one survived. Okay. Ow. I'm gonna press the button. On your marks, get set. 3, 2, 1, go! Uh-oh. Okay. Go. This is really slow. How can everyone go fast? It's because of... Okay. Walk. Walk. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. Okay. Everyone took the speed. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. I can't use this because someone already used it. Go. Okay. I made it. I think. Yes, I did it. Okay. Yes. Finally. Money, score a goal. Soccer. Okay. This way. No! The ball's gonna... No. Okay. This way. This way. This way. No, not that way. This. Oh no. Oh no. This way. Ball goes this way. Oh my god. This way, people. Yes, we scored. Okay. We almost scored a goal. Money, money. Yes. Any more left? No more left? Money. Oh, I slipped on a banana. Watch out. Oh no, a bomb. Oof. Where's the bomb? Okay. Whoa! Watch out, a giant black hole. Oh no. Ooh. Watch out, what's happening? Oh! Oh my god. Wow. Potatoes. Are you lucky or unlucky? Let's see. Present. We got nothing? We're unlucky. Jump over the laser. I died. I jumped. Kind of jumped. I almost jumped. Okay, people. I don't think no one survived. Okay. No one's here. Laser's going super fast. Ouch. Okay. Watch out. More potatoes. Oh, it's a big ball. It's a big bomb. Oh no. That's bad. Okay. Be careful, there are mines. Oh, there are mines. Okay. I can make it. Easy. Yes, I made it. There we go. Little button. Oh, wow. There are mines. These don't look like mines. Oh, oh my god, I died because I stepped on the mines. That was funny. Bounce. Ooh, coins. Ouch, that's a big oof. Hit the button. Reach the top. Whoa, this is fun. Jumping on clouds, it's so fun. Oh. Oof. Reach the top. Which way now? Ouch. Cloud jumping is so fun. This way, yes. I fell. Jumped on a cloud. Yes, okay. This way now. This way. I didn't reach the top, that's fine. Hit the button. Hit the button, peeps. Hit the button. Is anything gonna happen? Nothing's gonna jump over the coming lasers. Okay. I died. Mostly everyone died. Yeah, everyone died. Lasers. Yeah, go away, lasers. Okay. Acid is spreading. Oh, I should have stayed on the button. It's like slime. Green slime. Ow. Be careful again. Gotta make it. Okay, I hope I make it. I'm still lagging. Okay. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Yes, I made it. I made it. I made it. Where is everyone? Oh. Come on, you can make it, you can make it. Let's go. This way, yes. Yay. Whoa. Hurry, reach the top before everything floods. Okay. Okay. No! I was lagging, that's why I died. This part is the hard part. This part, where you jump on the lines, it's the hard part. Everything's flooding. No one survived. Oh, wow. It's flooding. Okay, everything flooded. Wow, I fell. Okay. There we go. Press the button. Get ready. Fight. Ha. Aw. I died. Okie dokie. They're still fighting with the lasers. Laser guns. I got a balloon. I mean, ball? So cool. I got a ball. Big brain. Find the hole in the wall. Here's the hole. This way. This way, everyone. This way. Yes, this way. Are there any more walls? No more walls. Watch out. Oh, potatoes, oof. Wow. Big giant potatoes. There are mines again. Okay, easy, okay. Come on, guys, come on. Come on, this way, yes, this way. This way. This way, come on. Oh, she died. I'm gonna go this way. There's mines, people, there's mines. Oof. That girl just burst off. Get to the water. Boom. In the water. I'm all safe and sound. I lost an arm. Oh my god. I only have one arm. I don't have two. I only have one. Reach the top. Yay, cloud jumping. My favorite. My favorite. Yes. No! I must be lagging. This way, everyone. Yes. I fell again. Reach the top. Oof. Just the button. Click. Click. Nothing's happening. That's weird. Money! Oh wow, so many coins. Mine! Everyone took them all. No more. Okay. Here. Watch. Oh. Wow. Watch out. Stay on the. Oh wow. That's so. Oh wow. What's gonna happen next? On your marks, get set. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Me. I didn't get it. Okay. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this one. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I can make it. Yes, I made it. Yes. Finally. Ooh, money. Click it. Hurry, reach the top. Okay. Laggy part. Reach the top before everything floods. This one's very hard that I don't. Oh my god, I made it! No! I almost made it! No! I almost made it! Seriously? No! I almost made it, but I died. Ow. slipping on bananas. A giant volcano, watch out. Oof. Go here, this way. Everyone, you can go here. You might not get killed by the volcano. Wow, cubes of lava. Oh, I fell and I respawned. Okay, this way. Okay. Everyone's here though. There we go. Volcano's gone. Slide down. Yes. Let's slide down the water. Yes. Whee! And yes, I'm gonna slide down again. Slide down. I wonder what's gonna happen if I jump on top of this. I don't slide down, I fall down. This way I'm gonna slide down. Yeah. Oh. Find a hole in the wall. Okay. Found a hole here. I died. I may have accidentally touched the lasers. The walls are gone. Dinos! I turned into a dinosaur. T-Rex. I'm a dinosaur. Almost everyone is. Oh. Black hole. Oh no, where's... Still a dinosaur. Roar! Okay. Spleef. It's more like lavas than spleefs. I'm almost gonna die. I died. No, I died. There's lava. Okay, guys, so I survived on most of the rounds, but I died on a few of them. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh, and one more thing, guys. In my next video, I'm gonna introduce you to my new pet, so stay tuned.